we will be sharing you VS 9 years CAT paper in this video. Explain you how to solve the paper so that you can score really well, and trust me, if you'll solve all these papers, definitely no one can stop you to cracking the NIFT entrance exam here, and you will get very good campus, top campus. So be with us till the end of this video. Write down all these questions, try to solve.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute.
Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and today we will be discussing the previous year creative ability test CAT question paper. As you know, the CAT weightage for B design is 50%. Today we will be sharing you the previous year question paper. You all can solve the paper, which we will explain you all.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 2012, 2011. From 10 to 19, past 9 year questions you have here to solve, and in the Ignite India free study section. And here is the number 9148882412. When you solve these questions, you can send here, right, along with your ID proof. We will see and we will help you as much as possible. Wherever you need any improvement, definitely we are going to help you there. So NIFT CAT creative ability test is designed to access the creativity of the candidate. The test is designed to judge your creativity, how creative you are, how innovative you are, how you see things differently from others. So that is the main objective of this exam, to examine your these skill. But because tomorrow when you will be a designer, you need these. So design is actually a solution to solve the user's problem. You will be successful designer only you solve problem, right, on the right price point, right trend, right design, capture, keep yourself aware, right? So this test is very, very important, and weightage is also very good for this test. That is why CAT is 50% weightage. So you know how important this course is if you want to crack the NIFT, right? 9 years CAT paper in this video, right? And we will also explain you how to solve the paper so that you can score really well, and trust me, if you'll solve all these papers and if you'll send for feedback and if you'll follow our feedback, definitely no one can stop you to cracking the NIFT entrance exam. Trust me, definitely you are going to crack this year, and you will get very good campus, top campus, NIFT campus in NIFT entrance 2022. So be with us till the end of this video, and just carefully write down all these questions. Try to solve these questions, right? Try to solve these questions. These are very, very important. All right, so solve these questions and send us on 9148882412 in this number. This is the WhatsApp number which we have. You share your work and share your ID, right? Share your valid ID. We are going to help you, right? So let's be design. Question number 1 is visualize and draw any one of the following, as they would be in year 2050. Color of the product using dry colors, right? Candidate, they mostly use dry colors. There is no option of using the watercolor or any wet color. As you know that the exam will be for be using any dry color, it may not get the dry, and then it will be problem for you, and so that is why you should carry all dry colors only. Remember this is very, very important. Carry all dry color only. Umbrella, door, lock, lunchbox. So now see, 2050 is a futuristic. So when I saw this door lock, so maybe this will be more futuristic, where in this lock, right, so design and technology you can combine. So for this lock, right, so you will have lock, but that will be more digital, and that can be open with different kind of, you can use the method where will be more automatic, and or maybe lock can recognize the voice, recognize the face, recognize the thumb impression or your eye, or something you think which is really, really exciting and futuristic, so that your examiner will be happy to see your design, your idea, your concept note about your the design. You may write and explain, right, whatever you are designing. You may write few lines to explain your idea, right? So this was about the lock. Now umbrella, again similar way, try to solve problem, right? So maybe you can design very nice umbrella. There you maybe use some textile which can protect human from ultraviolet ray or something like that. You should think about this. So how you combine design and technology together, right? So that is very, very important for you all. Lunchbox now, third, right? Lunchbox. So how you can keep your food in lunchbox, how it will be fresh, you can keep it for longer hours, right? So these all things, right, you can keep stuffs, and there will be some technology involved, so that it won't be there won't be any food poisoning, or it won't be harmful for your health. So these all things you should think about it, right? You should think about it, and you be creative. So design these and send us on 914-888-2412 in this number. So just design this, use A4 sheet and send us. We will review it and we will get back to you to the next question. Using the following shape, that is circle, rectangle, hexagon, teardrop and triangle, compose any one of the following: personal computer, wind chime, letter box, right? Accompany it with a write-up of $100. You see every question, wherever you will be making it, there will be some write-up, because this is very, very important to understand your idea. This exam is not just drawing exam. Understand this. Understanding the product, understanding your user, understanding the market, understanding the trend, understanding the whole concept, right? You are a designer. Who is designer? Designer is a person who is very, very clever, who understands the market, who understands the client, who understands the trend, who understands the whole business, right? So I hope you all will think properly, and you will work on the ideas which we have discussed, and you will be sharing your design with us on 914-888-2412. Moving to the next question, depict the posage on any one of the following in 4 frames, right? So this is also common question, right? This is very, very common question. These questions will come in every year. I have seen almost every year. I have seen multiple year. Trust me, this is very, very important. question which you should practice. Also, you should learn with different, like, the example we will give you. Also, we will be sharing you some input so that you can prepare in home, right? You can prepare in home. So, budding and blooming of the rose flower, right? Assert on a clothing line from wet to dry. A bird taking flight from ground to sky. You see, right? So these are a bird taking flight from ground to sky. So there will be perspective. There will be some, like, when they will, right? They will be taking flight from ground to sky. There will be some different, like, the postures, right? There will be some science also involved, gravity, right? And then the bird will be trying to fly. So these all things you have to be very clever. You have to be very, whatever you are making it, that should be very, very natural, right? So these things are very, very important. And these small things, when do not just read the question and start drawing. Just give some time, at least think about the question and think about how you will make it different from others, because that is how you will score well, because everybody will be drawing, right? And checking your drawing ability is not creative ability. Trust me. If you want to get all top campuses, you have to be different from everyone else. You have to think differently. You have to work differently. You have to draw differently. And your ideas, your thought process would also be very, very different. And trust me, if you'll do this, you will be topper. You will get score which no one else can get. You will get full marks. You will get full marks. You will score well in CAT, 50 out of 50. Trust me. So, budding and blooming of the roots, right? Assert on a clothing line from wet to dry. And the third question is bird taking flight from the ground. So, depict the posage on any one of the following in 4 frames. Now here, right? Here, I would advise you just draw all these, right? Practice all these. Question number 3A, second option, and third option. All third option. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Budding and blooming of the rose. Assert on a clothing line from wet to dry. A bird taking flight from the ground to sky. All 3 questions, right? All 3 questions you should practice. You draw this, make this, solve this question paper, and send us to 914-888-241. We will get back to you. We will give you feedback. We will also give you input. Just share your work in this number. Let's moving to the next question. So, NIFT CAT 2018 question paper for B design. Show one of the following procedures in 4 steps. See, as I told you, this 4 steps question you will see in 2019. The similar question is there in 2018. Show one of the following procedure in 4 steps.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CET, UCET, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
Option 1, placing a bulb in a holder, a paper holding into a board. So that is what I told. So these both are very, this question is very common. I remember I have solved this in my entrance exam, right? So these question also you can solve and you can send us. Now, design and illustrate in color with detail a bag for yourself for any one of the given topics: wedding, picnic, shopping. Depict your personality through a geometrical shape in a color, right? So these 3 questions are here. This also you solve and send us. Moving to the next question. NIFT CAT 2017 question paper. Draw any one of the following scenes. The view of traffic signal from inside the car, a street play being organized, a community festival celebration. Illustrate in a color a print on a t-shirt based on any one of the following themes. Music in a soul of life, save future wildlife, dignity to waste. Right? Illustrate in a color a print on a t-shirt based on any one of the following themes. Basically, you have to design a t-shirt chest print, right? So in t-shirt, you have to, these are the themes, and the question is asking you to design a chest print. So do this, right? And share few options. We will get back to you. We will give you the feedback. And you can share your work on 914-888-2412, right? This PDF also you can download from Ignite India app, right? It's in free study section. Whenever you visit, please visit and check. It's there on the free study section. If you'll go there, you need to click on NIFT 2022. There we will be making a folder, new folder, right? Maybe we will make a folder named CAT question paper. So you can go there, you can download the question paper, you can solve, and you can get back to us. You can send on all the question which you will solve. You can send on 914-888-2412, right? We will review it. We will get back to you. Moving to the next question. Express the contrast between the given pair of words through two separate visual in given boxes. Out of the given three, one was to be attempted. Balance, unbalanced. Crispy, shocking. Cluttered, uncluttered. So you attempt this question also and send us, right? Be creative, right? Be different from others, right? Think properly. When question is there, you think about it, right? Try to solve problem. Try to be innovative, right? And think about your end user, how you can help them, how you can solve their problem. If these things, if you will keep in mind, trust me, you are going to score full marks in CAT. Moving to the next question, NIFT CAT 2016 question paper. So progression from one to another only through colors which are to be filled in a series of 10 blocks. Attempt any two. Cocoon to butterfly, down to night, spring to autumn, shiny metallic to rust. Question number 2. Express the below mentioned emotions through colors. Sorrow, happiness, rebellious. Sign the below mentioned products. A textile print, a footwear product, a table utility product, a clothing utility product. So as I told you, you have to be creative, you have to be different. Also think about market, think about trend, right? And try to solve problem. Try to solve your users' problem. How innovative product you can give them, offer in the market. Definitely you will be successful. So these are the few qualities which is expected from any budding designer. And NIFT is trying to test in your entrance exam. They want to see all these qualities you have. So tomorrow when you will become a designer, you will join a industry, that time you will be successful, right? So let's move. All right, NIFT CAT 2015 question paper. Draw a poster or on any one. Where there is a will, there is a way. Better late than never. On every cloud there is a silver lining. Draw a Hindi-English alphabet and then add or delete some line to make a product or a picture in 4 steps. Draw a Hindi / English alphabet and then add or delete some lines to make a product or a picture in 4 steps. Right? I hope this is clear. Draw a Hindi or English alphabet means you write A or B or C, any alphabet, or you can write Ko, Kho, Go, any in Hindi, any Varnamala you can write, and then add or delete some lines. You can do some addition or you can delete to make a product or a picture, and that should be in a 4 steps, right? So maybe you have to choose, so you think about which letter you can explore, and that will be different from others, and how and what all the possibilities are there. So maybe before making final thing, what you can do some doodling and try to recall all the letters and think about it, how you can make things very differently.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
And make a step by step. So very easiest way to solve this question is just start, right? And stop. Again, just make a copy, make 3 so leave the first one, right? Start with all 4, right? And step 1, then you work on rest 3. Now next step, rest on work 2. Now rest last, work on your final. So if you'll see, it will look very smooth. Also, when you are leaving, when you are creating a steps, try to create it seamlessly. It shouldn't look any jump, it should be in a rhythm, right? In a flow. So equal, if you're developing it, development should see in equal, stages. Equally it should. So it's I hope you're clear. So they solve this question and send it to us on 9148882412. This question PDF we will keep in the Ignite India app. You can download. Draw a mascot in a poster on any one topic: Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Make in India, food security. Right? Make these posters and send it to us. Moving to the next. NIPT-CAT 2014 question paper. Illustrate the dress of tourist guide of the state you belong to. Label it the accessories and fabric details. Illustrate an X in 4 steps from start to end, depicting feelings and emotions. Right? Basically, you have to imagine your trip and depict it with all the feeling and emotions. Next question. Draw a poster for voting, creating awareness about voting. Briefly explain your concept in 5 lines. Moving to the next. NIPT-CAT 2013 question paper. If you are a lizard on a wall, with your reference, draw the whole room in which you are. So this is perspective based question. I hope you all have practiced. Otherwise, you can watch in the Ignite India playlist. There are perspective different videos, and if you'll watch them, definitely you will have very good idea about the perspective. You can also download the Ignite India app. There are also videos recorded, like sessions are there on the question. Is straight and explain briefly the given words: tsunami, summer, speed, love. And moving to the next question, draw a pattern in the given grid using any of 3 of the following motifs and also explain the concept. So solve this question and send it to us. We will.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
We will evaluate your work. Also, we will tell you where you need improvement. NIFT CAT 2020 question paper. Design a mascot for any one of the following topic: keep city clean, pulse polio, India against corruption. Question number 2, attempt any one of the options within the frame. So, landing of an aircraft, or draw landscape of spring, summer, autumn and winter, color suitably. Design a creative poster on any one of and write suitable tagline: cyber shop, fruit shop. Moving to the next NIFT CAP 2011 question paper. Depict the following word into the grid: trust, joy, fear. Draw the following scenes using any 3 colors: railway station, temple festival, Republic Day parade. Using a lead pencil, draw any one of the following scenes: educating voters, corruption, right to education. So moving to the next NIFT CAT 2020 10 question paper. A grid of 10 by 10 inches is provided. Depict any one word in the grid: in harmony, shock, enthusiasm. One color in one box. You can even leave a few boxes vacant. Design postal stamp for anyone: Mother's Day, Commonwealth Games, 2010, Earth Hours, World Health Day. Draw any one topic from the options given below. Use only lead pencil: magic show, obey traffic rules, go green. So these are the questions which will give you, definitely these are going to give you very good understanding of the CAT question paper which was asked previous years. And if you will practice these questions and if you can share with us, definitely we are going to help you. Also, if you want to join our classes, you can call or you can WhatsApp on 9148882412. We are going to help you. You can join our regular classes. You can join our crash course, right? You can join our strategy sessions. You can, if you want, you can also get a study material from us. So you can contact us in this number. Also, you can download this PDF from the Ignite India app, right? So we'll see you in the next video. And I hope you all know how important is CAT, and that is why we are very much, focused on the CAT. And subscribe this channel, so whenever we will be live, you can get notification and you can watch this video. So in coming days, we are going to post more videos related to NIFT entrance, right? For UG, PG and BF Tech, MF Tech technology related video. So guys, you subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp, you can ask us. Also, you can check our Instagram, which is ignite_India. You can go there. You can go there, and there also you can ask question or any doubt if you have. We'll see you in the next video. I hope you have liked this video. So please comment and let us know. Also, if you want us to make videos in any other topic, or if you have any suggestion, that also you can tell, and how you like this video, how much helpful is this previous year question paper sessions, let us know.
you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CET, UCET entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.